Hey everyone, Jen Fyman with the Starr Realty Group and Keller Williams Realty. I'm so excited to tell you about our new listing hitting the market in New Milford in just about a week. This wonderful Colonial is one you're not gonna wanna miss. It is situated in the Pumpkin Hill section of New Milford, deeded access rights to Lake Lillinonah right up at the end of the road. It's a recently renovated Colonial, central air, great backyard, patio, deck, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths including a master ensuite bath, first floor laundry, first floor half bath, great open concept on the first floor, hardwood floors throughout first and second floor, beautiful fireplace in the living room, kitchen has granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, attached 1-car garage with automatic door opener. Definitely make sure you give me a call today for more information about this awesome home. 203-868-2359. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a great day.